case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2000, the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit heard the case Campbell v. Clinton, which centered around the concept of having a valid reason to sue in court. If one can't demonstrate harm, they can't bring a case forward. The lawsuit was brought by several congressmen, led by Tom Campbell of California, who claimed that the president had violated the War Powers Resolution and the War Powers Clause of the Constitution by allowing U.S. forces to participate in NATO's campaign in Yugoslavia without congressional approval and authority. The district court dismissed their case due to lack of standing, and the higher court affirmed this decision. The courts determined that the congressmen lacked legislative standing to challenge the president's actions, as they did not have an institutional injury against the executive branch. The Supreme Court ultimately agreed with the lower court's decision and found that the plaintiff congressman did not possess the necessary standing to challenge the presidential veto. Despite Congress voting against a declaration of war and an authorization of airstrikes, the conflict between NATO and Yugoslavia endured for 79 days. The fighting eventually concluded with Yugoslavia withdrawing its forces from Kosovo and allowing a NATO-led peacekeeping force to be deployed. Throughout the conflict, updates were regularly provided by the Pentagon, State Department, and NATO spokesmen. The court's ruling affirmed the dismissal of the case due to the congressmen's lack of standing to challenge the president's actions. The appellants were unable to enforce the War Powers Resolution, WPR, and their constitutional claim regarding the War Powers Clause was consequently rejected.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.